Hi, I'm Brennan Palmiter, Applications Engineer at Capital Robotics. Today what we're going to be going over is setting up your DC pulse on the Welby. Alright, so keeping in mind, working clockwise, we're going to set up for DC pulse. We're going to set our travel speed at standard. We're going to set our weld method for DC pulse. We're going to skip over to our wire diameter. What I have set is 40-43. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this at soft aluminum. That should change my gas key to 100% argon, which I know I'm running. For wire diameter, I'm running an 045 size wire, so I'll just go ahead and select 045. For this demo, I'm not going to get into crater fill, so we're going to go ahead and leave that off. For this material thickness, I'm going to start with 110 amps. And then for my synergic control, or my arc length, I'm going to go ahead and leave that at 0 for the time being. All right, so now that we've set up our DC pulse and the front of our machine is ready to weld, we're ready to weld. Check out this example. DC pulse is a pulse cycle that allows us to achieve a spray type of transfer through a variety of material thicknesses. If you need more information, check out our YouTube page, or you can go to www.capitalrobotics.com. Thank you.